Lee from Schier cabinet makers in Matawa, out in country regional Victoria in Australia. We've been using Empower for the last 3 years. It's just turned into such a magnificent analytical tool. It's just progressing at a rapid rate of knots. It's turning into a really, really good piece of software that's going to increase productivity in our factory tenfold at least, at minimum.
Yeah, awesome. You're here for a training day today.
Here.
Two days. How's it gone?
Yep, it's been great. Extremely informative. Just learnt so many more things. I thought I was an advanced user, but I'm pretty middle of the road. As a software suite, it's extremely easy to set up, extremely easy to modify to suit your changing needs. It's just fantastic.
Okay, yep, that's real good. And the guy producing today has been a cabinet maker for 30 years, as well as using this tool for 15 years every day in his production management role. How do you rate him?
Fantastic. He is great.
So good for a cabbie, talking to cabbies. Yep.
Yep. It's been great. It really has been. Talk to other people who are in the same industry, and it's been fantastic.
All right. So, do you mind if other Aussies or Kiwis give you a bell on the phone and ask you some critical questions?
This is go for
Cell phone number?
Yep. 0409 219 937.
Thanks a lot, Lee. Cheers.
Thank you.